paper.
Scott? Hey, Kelly? Kelly?
Hi.
Hey, Scott?
Okay.
Is this your frame you're making? Is this the frame for your bike
Oh,
you're making?
no, that's one I'm scrapping out. Take the parts off.
Alright.
Okay.
It's got a bit of pretty...
Yeah, this is the frame.
Mm-hmm.
Let me turn off the dimensions, see it better. That's frame, I already got that all made right there. The match that's got.
Where's your adapter?
Right there.